The force of those winds from the tornado in Vernon County was enough to derail and topple several train cars. You can see this photo here from the Missouri State Highway Patrol showing at least 2 hopper cars pushed off the Missouri and Northern Arkansas Railroad this morning. Now, when all 8 cars were blown over, you can see the cars landing on their sides with the wheels scattered about. Now, to give you an idea of how strong the winds were, we looked it up and found the typical rail hopper weighs about 30 tons empty and up to 130 tons while full. A big mess to clean up there, but the railroad says there were no injuries reported.